Here comes my boy, about to start the tour. Power tour starting today. All right, we are beginning the replacement of the wheel bearing over here.
You know, it's funny, old Freiberger just puts it on Facebook and 10 people come help him.
Yeah. Yep, but we ain't Freiberger. 2 hacks and a jack. All right, tires off, fun start. All right, it's 1:30. Just got the axle out. Everything seemed to fall out in place. We will now use the get the seal out in the bearing and put everything back in and get to Memphis. All right, here we go.
Oh, I gotta go in deeper.
Cut. All right, here we go. Pulling out the bearing. Ready. Let it rip.
I wonder what Shania Twain's doing right now. We got a problem. Is that the race? From the freezer. Let's get square. It's set.
Yahtzee.
Freezer. Set. Yes. She's in.
All right, we're going for the last seal. Then we're going to slide in the axles, get the rear end put back together, put in fluid, clean up all this shit, and we're ready to go.
Bingo! 2 hacks, 1 jack here from Stockbridge, Georgia. It's about 7:15. At about 12 o'clock, we had a blown out left rear wheel bearing. Got to a friend's house, got to Summit, got some new bearings, gave us the wrong ones, went back, got the right ones, popped them out, popped them in, bada bing! 2 hacks and a jack. See you in Memphis.